guys, hope you're having a great day wherever you are. This is the Baby 3 Macron Cute Bunny series, and we're going to be unboxing a couple boxes from this today. I don't know if I'll unbox all of them or if I'll just unbox them slowly over time. Okay, so this is one of those pendant plushes similar to Labubu dolls, but also there's a lot of them out there. So just taking this out. Oof, this is so tight. There, okay. This in the back. This is what the box looks like. This is the bunny series. And it's got all these different clothes. And the clothes are going to be random. So what you're actually going to be getting are these colorways. So each box will have some of these colorways. There are 1, 2, 3. There are 12 of them, and then one secret one. So different colorways and etc. But their faces will be different. So with Baby 3, you can interchange the faces. This is what they call an 80% size, which means that it's not the 100% regular size, not the tiny 50% size, which is still about this big. But this is the 80% size. And there's always a QR code that brings you to the proper authentication site as well. So let's get to opening this guy. The ones that I'm really hoping for are, all the colors are pretty good. I obviously like the brown bunnies a lot. I quite like the blue bunnies as well as the purple bunnies. The green bunnies I'm like okay with. It just depends on what their actual colorway is. But what I really want in terms of the clothing size is I want any of the ones with a hat. Like I love the ones with a hat. I really, really want those. So we will see if we get the hat. All right. And from the back. Oh my god, yes, yes, yes. They have a hat! Oh my gosh. Okay, it's a green bunny, which I'm okay with. I like this. Okay, oh my god. The little, like, overalls. And then, this is it. So cute. The eyes are also movable on these ones, the 360 eyes. So you can make them, like, super derpy, for example, or, like, cross-eyed, or however you like. I'm just going to make this one look this way. So this is, which outfit? Oh, it's this outfit right here. Oh, it's actually this one. Exactly this one. That's so cute. Okay, I love that. This is so adorable. I'm going to give it a quick sniff because they're all like scented. And this one smells just like sweet. I think it's the strawberry milk flavor. And the card looks like this. All right, let me put this away. And I've decided we're probably going to do a full set unboxing because I really like this. I hope we get more and more hats. So let's move this back. We've got this one next. Actually, my storage is low on my phone. We might not be able to do a whole one, but let's see. Da-da-da! It's a blue bunny. She's got very pretty, it's not a foam. It's like it's sewn together, heat sealed. Little rubber band over here, that's cute. And a really pretty dress. And she smells like, oh, very slightly more floral than her. And this is the card. All right, so let's actually just move these out. gosh. She has wings on the back. That is so cute. Oh, her foot is all the way over there. And dun 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 dun. We've got the Dora eyes. So pretty with the little face. Cute little dress. Smells, again, quite similar. Similar to this one. But I'm not sure actually. This is the card. Is there a way to prop them up? Maybe I do need the box in the back. It's okay. We'll leave it for now. Let's try this one. And dun dun dun. Oh my gosh, another blue bunny. We shouldn't have repeat colors, is it? Exactly. Oh, no, it's slightly different. So this is more like a teal blue, whereas this is the regular blue, but they have the exact same outfit. And also the very similar face. So the hair color is interchangeable, like randomized. The cheek makeup is also randomized, although both of these have this cheek. And then the side to side eyes, or the, for example, full boba eyes are also randomized. So this is actually, all three of these have the same face. Only this one has a different, like in terms of the makeup on the face. Okay, let's open this one. Sorry, I took that out of frame for a moment. So cute. And the great thing is I can change out the clothes whenever. Oh my god, it's another one. Her shirt is like all wonky. I have to fix it. Okay, there we go. Another Dora eyes with the little bit face. And she has a bow instead of a flower. She also smells really sweet. Maybe this series is just that, like strawberry scent. This is version 1, which is one of the very first ones that they've had. So I'm hoping that this is a secret, but I don't think it will be because it's quite light compared to the other ones. So it should just be the regular. And of course the card for the previous one was this guy right over here. So let's hope for something very fun, like either a really cool outfit or something else. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, black bunny, super cute. Outfit is also super cute. Oh, it's a two-piece set? Yeah, oh, that's also really cute. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, yes. I love these eyes, the ones that kind of go 360 degrees. Those are one of my favorite. Oh, that's so cute. I love the two-piece set on this. Okay. Also smells like that sweet flavor. Okay, so we have all of these. Let's just prop them up so you guys can all see. So in this, we got all of these different ones. We have 2 googly eyes, 2 side-to-side eyes, and 2 special Dora eyes. I'm really happy with that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pouting mouths, and 1 mouth, and 1 mouth. Super cute. All right, I'm so happy with this outfit. I'm going to change this around. I'm going to probably change a couple of the faces as well as the outfits and make my favorite one. All right, bye guys.